The Cavite Mutiny of 1872. Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss the Cavite Mutiny of 1872, an important event in Philippine history. Although short-lived, this uprising had a profound impact on the growth of Filipino nationalism and the eventual movement toward independence. This presentation will cover the causes, the events, the aftermath, and the historical significance, including different perspectives on this event. On January 20, 1872, around 200 Filipino soldiers and laborers stationed at Fort San Felipe in Cavite launched a mutiny against Spanish colonial authorities. Although the revolt lasted only a day, it revealed the widespread discontent among Filipinos toward unfair colonial policies. This uprising is considered a prelude to the rise of Filipino nationalism and demonstrates how even small acts of resistance can signal deeper societal tensions. Causes of the mutiny. The mutiny was triggered primarily by the sudden removal of long-standing privileges enjoyed by the workers of the Cavite Arsenal, such as exemption from taxes and forced labor known as polo y servicio. Beyond these immediate grievances, the mutiny also reflected broader economic and social injustices under Spanish rule. These combined factors made the workers and soldiers willing to risk their lives to challenge colonial authority. The uprising, the uprising. The uprising was led by Sergeant Lamadrid. The mutineers managed to seize Fort San Felipe and in the process killed several Spanish officers. However, the revolt was quickly suppressed by the Spanish authorities. Despite its brief duration, the mutiny demonstrated the growing willingness of Filipinos to confront colonial oppression. It also, it, the uprising. The uprising was led by the Sergeant Lamadrid. The mutineers managed to seize Fort San Felipe and in the process killed several Spanish officers. However, the revolt was quickly suppressed by the Spanish authorities. Despite its brief duration, the mutiny demonstrated the growing willingness of Filipinos to confront colonial oppression. It also served as an early symbol of resistance and the emerging nationalist consciousness. Aftermath. In the aftermath of the mutiny, Spanish authorities executed 41 mutineers and exiled others. Three Filipino priests, Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora, collectively known as Gomburza, were accused of involvement in the conspiracy and executed by the garrote on February 17, 1872. Their unjust execution became a rallying point for Filipinos, intellectuals, and reformists, further fueling nationalist sentiments. Significance in the Philippine history. The Cavite Mutiny played a crucial role in shaping Philippine history. The brutal suppression of the revolt highlighted the oppressive nature of colonial rule and inspired the Filipino reformist and revolutionary movements. Notably, it influenced prominent figures such as Jose Rizal, who later advocated for reforms and independence. The mutiny is seen as an early catalyst that contributed to the Philippine Revolution of 1896. Critical evaluation. Critically evaluating the Cavite Mutiny, we see that although it was small and militarily unsuccessful, it was pivotal for Filipino nationalism. It shows how acts of resistance, even if suppressed, can spark social and political awareness. The event has been interpreted differently depending on perspective. From the Spanish viewpoint, it was a minor revolt or a conspiracy that threatened order. From the Filipino nationalist perspective, it was an early symbol of resistance that highlighted injustice and revolutionary movements. The mutiny's long-term significance lies in its influence on the development of national consciousness and its role as a precursor to the broader struggle for the independence. In conclusion, the Cavite Mutiny of 1872, though brief, had a lasting impact on Philippine history. It illustrates that a small uprising can shape national identity and inspire future generations to challenge oppression. By examining both Spanish and Filipino perspectives, we gain a more nuanced understanding of the mutiny and its enduring significance in the history of Philippine nationhood.